What's going on, y'all? It's your boy K1K back in this thing for another episode, and you guys already know it's test day, so we're gonna get out here, see how Arya's performing, see what she's doing, and we're gonna have some fun, y'all. We got a couple of pretty decently set up bikes out here, man. K67 only has bolt-ons, no tune, so you know he's still restricted, but the bike made 192 on stock tune from BMW, so damn, I'm very impressed with that, to be honest. But we got a couple other setup bikes. Everything else out here has arms, you know, full bolt-ons, tunes, and all of that. So we'll see. Between me and the Busa, we're the heaviest riders to my knowledge. Me about 242 with no gear, and I believe he weighs about the same with no gear. So we'll see what happens. Dang, I forgot to strap it. Dang, I forgot to strap her. I'm gonna have to see if I can pull over. Forgot all about it. Not sure how much Rollin weighs, but boy, he put it on you, boy. Yeah, man. I can't remember the weight. I'll ask him afterwards, but yeah, he's a lightweight, but man, I definitely got more horsepower. But it's just weight comes into fact a lot with comes into factor a lot on motorcycles, man. But awesome run though. Definitely wouldn't have been able to keep up with that bike on stock wheelbase. He would have destroyed me. But I gotta get out of second gear, get out of first gear a little better, I feel like, and then after that it'll be a little better. So we'll see. Alrighty. You see, I'm 0 for 2 today, baby. but it's all good. We'll get after it. Got to get used to this the shift points on the bike now, and I changed to the style 2 of the gauge. Maybe that'll help a little bit. We'll see what's up. I never used this before ever, actually. I like the other one better typically, but we'll see. Good shit. Good run, baby. Boy, that was a good run. Good run this time, bro. I'm getting used to this this gearing big time now. So it's a matter of time. But Arya is definitely doing the dang thing. But that booster, I don't know if he's sticking down to the ground now. Before he had a power 5 in there, it was blowing the tire off first through third gear. I think he only has the 2 to 6 arm on there, so with that is nice. Q4, I'm hoping gives him some traction that he needs. If not, he's gonna have to thug it out and get a drag max. It's pretty much the only thing else he could do unless he goes a longer arm on that thing. But beautiful bike, man. BSTs, the whole works on that thing. Not gonna give all of his secrets out on every little thing, but it's a nice bike. Very nicely well put together and set up, and there's still more he can do. So you already know how TRP does their things. They're gonna go ahead and take care of that and be competitive with it. And then you can see we got a nice K67 here. The owner has bolt-ons but no flash yet. He's opting to wait for Woolwich to come out instead of going with Brand. But that bike put down some pretty good power. I think it said 192 with the stock flash. So that's awesome, man. Those BMW bikes are amazing. You guys already know I have a special place in my heart for those machines, and I will get one day. You know what I'm saying? But we also got Rowland on loaded Gixxers. Beautiful 2015 Suzuki Gixxer 1000. Nice bike, man. But let's go. Oh boy. No, boy. Look at loaded Gixxer doing some work, boy. Oh, that thing is quick. This guy's on stock tune, guys. You gotta remember that. He's got restrictions. That thing is gonna be a monster once he gets woken up. And speaking to him, he wants to get the tune first once Woolwich offers it, and then he's gonna stay stock wheelbase for a bit before he decides to go ahead and go full yeet on it. But everybody done seen what them K67s can do, and they will tear up the streets. There's a reason why that's one of the most preferred bikes out right now for road race and track. Pretty much anything. It's like a pretty good Swiss Army knife of what you can do with those things. So awesome machines, man. So far, I'm very happy with the results. Bro used to destroy me. You guys have seen me race him so many times. He used to put a beating on me all the time. And now, I mean, I was right there on there. Like, my front tire is like probably at his freaking halfway on the swing arm. You know, it was close. And I kept up with the booster pretty decent too. So definitely happy with the results. There's still a couple things and tricks up Arya's sleeve for sure, but really it's the seat time now, man. I just need to get used to this. Find gearing that works for me good, because I am a heavy dude. So I'm sacrificing some top end for some bottom end power and acceleration. So, you know, it's just one of those things, man. I gotta find the best strong suits to the bike that fits me. You know, the drag shock seems to be doing pretty good. Everything is hooking good, having no problems. Awesome so far. So shout out to Penske Racing for that. Feels pretty good. I haven't even mounted the Q4 yet. I have a Q4 rear at the house waiting to get mounted, and a Q3 Plus front that I'm gonna put on. But right now I'm on the stock RS11s, and they're holding their own, man. They're doing good. The rear tire is just about, you know, ready to get up off of there, squared off a little, obviously, because I'm not doing too many turning with this. So just one of those things, you know. But awesome, man. So far Arya is performing well past my expectations. I'm not gonna be able to go on the full ride with these guys, unfortunately, because I got some family commitments I gotta do. But just wanted to get a decent little session in, at least. Shout out again to Loaded Jigsaw. Check him out on Instagram. I'll pop his stuff up right now. You can check out that bike. It's a beautiful looking bike, clean looking Jigsaw. Love that thing, man. First time getting the chance to see it in person, man. And I'll be able to ride with him whenever he gets back soon. Shout out to our troops too out there doing the thing overseas and all of that. So get a ride with him soon. We get the band back together. We only missing a few little members here and there. Z06 Nate, Track Ready Performance John. You know, get y'all out here, man. We miss y'all for real. Alright. Look like Ron and catching them on top, man. That weight difference. That weight difference, bruh. Woo, boy. Dang, boy. That flyby was... yeah. Almost blew my eardrums off, boy. Oh boy, that's hard to tell. Look like brothers in front, barely. Look like he got out in front of him, barely. Boy, that bike is quick, bro. Oh boy, that thing is quick. I'm getting better with this thing though. I'm getting better with her, man. Stop falling asleep at the tree, bro. It's all good, man. I'm gonna get this seat time in my life. I still think he's gonna catch a baby.